So what? Yeah, that's me. That's me. Hey, look, we about to put together this Miss Pac-Man machine. Let's do it. Check it out. Bust open the packs real quick. Won't, won't. Wow. Zip through this. Slice and dice real fast. Take out all the pieces, organize them. Know what I'm saying? Check this out. Wow. Whip, whoop, wop. Boom, clean up, make some room. Can't work in a mess. Boom. Oh yeah, this the other piece. I'm gonna do that later. Here go the other one. Whoop, whoop, bah. You get over there. All right, clean up again. Boom. Here go the last one. Huh. Huh. Okay. Bow. Big piece. All right, clean up again. Let's get these screws out, organize them. Find a letter on the back so you know which ones to use. Okay, let me grab my tools. We're gonna use Phillip all the way through. Boom. Okay. That ain't the instructions. Which one is it? Alright, let me just. Okay, cause mess getting in my nerves. Alright, here we go. And ain't that one. There it is. Wow. See, I like reading ahead sometimes, so I just grab the screws. Look, okay, I'm gonna need a couple more of the same ones. Alright, so we'll find the pieces. We're gonna need this. Yeah, it look the same. Got the lines on it. What other one? There it is. Bow. Here you go. Okay, now this gotta go. Alright, wait a minute. Look, this piece. Look, and these instructions, yo, it don't say nothing about these little wood pieces, right? But it go on all of them. Look, I'm gonna show you. Look, come here. And the instructions, no wood pieces, but on here you need these wood pieces in there. These. So go ahead, pop those in there real quick. I'll make sure. Yep, it look like how it's supposed to go right here. Boom, put the first one in. Yeah, it look about right. Let me see. Boom. Wow. Yep. Here we go. Wow. We on there. These two pieces. Boom. Alright, gotta flip it over. Put the top on there. See, you zip through this. It's nothing for me. Look. Put those on there. 3 screws. Boom. Yep. Alright, we're gonna find this piece, put it on the side. That's gonna be on the top. Alright, move that out the way. You gotta put these on, right? It's like 8 little bitty screws. Zip. Know what I'm saying? I got hot because, like I'm saying, anyway. Look, we're gonna move to the next piece. Boom, we gotta put the face on there. That's the screen. Flip page, see what's next. Okay, now this is speakers, right? You gotta put the wood pieces, even though I don't see it, but we know better already. Alright, this piece connect to it. Them little bitty ones again. Boom, you see it. Alright, now I was trying to make sure because it keeps skipping around. Put the other 3 in there. I ain't say nothing about it at first, but you gotta use common sense. Come, put that top in there. Yeah. Gotta slide that one in there. Bop, that's in there. Now this piece is wild. I hate this part, cause it's like you gotta put this on the top and hold this in between like the little grip parts at the same time. That don't make sense, but you know me, I'm find a way. So if I started in the back, boom, got those. Then I started going around the top. Then I was like, all right, it's not going. What's up with this? All right, I'm gonna slide that one in. Boom, got it in there. All right, let me go back around here. And then this one is at the top. That's the one. Wow. Screw tie. Pop this in. Boom. Zip that up real quick. Zip. Make sure it's another one. Nope, ain't no one over there. Okay. Let's see what's next. Boom. All right. Yep. Everything on the right side. Right side up. Yeah, that's right. I could flip it. Boom. Now let's go. Put the screw right here. Okay. Yep. Nah. Back to the screen. We gotta put the little ones on for the side. Boom. Alright, look, make sure that's. Yep, there you go. Alright, now we go. Boom. Zip. Nice, clean, easy, fresh. Boom. There it is. What's next? Alright, we're gonna flip this over. Then it say slide it on. But me being me, I'm like, alright, I'm just gonna put this. That's for the front, right? Got the words. Put them wood pieces in. I think I'm just lifting. Look. Got him. Got him. There it is. There it is. You know me. Cause I don't know why you thought I couldn't do it. But look, we gotta put these screws on right here. It's 4 of them. Boom. 2 over here. Bop. Bop. All good. What's next? Okay, now we gotta do something in the back. I was gonna do it, but I was like, alright, we recording, so we get up here, flip it around. Bow, so y'all can see it too. Look, it's supposed to be these little plates that go right here. It's hard to show you, but if you did this before, you're about to. It's just a little place to keep them together. Boom, go ahead, whip these in real quick. Boom, one on the top, one on the bottom. It's flush. Alright, screw them in. I need some more screws. I ain't about to crawl over there. I'm gonna go around. Bop, I got them. Alright, now here we go. I'm gonna throw that in. Gonna throw that one in. Put that one more. Bop. One more there. Bop. Nah. Let's see what's up. Alright, nah. This, blah, 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 blah. Alright, you can see how this go. Alright, let me flip this around so y'all can see it too. Cause I'm supposed to look. Now, this piece. Supposed to just peel it, but the screws so tight, it gets stuck in the screws. I'm saying that by my elbow, nigga. I'm a handyman. I gotta. Anyway, dog. Look, so these you can't. So these you can unloosen it a little bit and make it easier to pull the plastic off. So look, I'm gonna unzip these. Wop, look at this. Film, straight through there. Straight through there, look. Wop. Get over here. Get over it. See, it's off here. It look like something now. There it is. Now we're gonna tighten these. Be careful, cause it is plastic. So you gotta be boom, boom. Do it slow. Put a screwdriver, but I know what I'm doing. Quit looking at my elbow, dog. I'm a handyman out there. Doing shit all day, crawling around and shit. But still, look, we're going.